I'm going to order a porterhouse for two, and I'm going to share it with one of my best friends in the region. A big topic for the summer are home upgrades and renovations. This morning, top realtor and lifestyle expert Marquesa Hobbs is here to share some of the popular renovation plans right now, plus some that may not be worth the price tag, and you're the only person I'd share a porterhouse steak with.
Oh, thank you. I'm honored.
As long as you like it medium rare.
Absolutely.
Okay, now we're really sharing a brand. Hey,
bet.
good to see you. Can you
Great to
believe
see you.
Tuesday will be the midway point
Halfway through
of
the year.
2026? How would you assess the market? 6 months down, 6 to go?
Yeah, absolutely. So halfway through the year, what we're seeing, we live in a unique market, as we've shared before. So lots of military presence, meaning people are always moving here for a variety of reasons. What I appreciate is we're returning to a more balanced market, neither favoring buyers or sellers. Homes are selling, they're going under contract, but it's important to have a strategy.
And this is a big time to sell a home because a lot of people want to move in before the new school year
Absolutely.
starts to get the kids settled so they can make new friends. Nobody wants to move in the middle of the year.
No.
So let's go through ways to kind of spruce up the home, starting with a term called color drenching. This is a new phenomenon to me personally.
Yes, you're hearing this a lot. There are searches up about 150% online for now for color drenching. This is not new though. It used to just be called monochromatic. So what it means is one color. So like you'll see here, we've got a green room. Typically color drenching is going to be darker, moodier, more dramatic. It can feel very heavy, and what we're finding is most buyers don't love it. So if you plan to be in your home for a while, do it. I suggest a smaller space, maybe an office, a small bathroom, maybe a dining room, but for resale, not top on my list.
What about the spa style bathrooms? Is it worth the investment with all the upgrades, or should I allocate my money elsewhere?
Yeah, great question. So typically bathrooms are a good place to invest, but we don't need to go overboard on the spa style. Typically just a quick refresh is better, and by what I mean by that, it can be paint, it can be resurfacing, new light fixtures, new hardware, maybe a new counter, but you don't need to go overboard in this space.
Marquesa, you and I have been friends for quite some time. You know what my favorite room in the house is,
Oh,
right? I
mine
mean,
too.
look at me. I love the kitchen. I love the island kitchen.
Yes.
That's where I'm going to allocate all my money. Is that a good investment or a bad investment?
Absolutely. So I agree. Kitchen, you are
important.
almost always going to get your return on investment. Think about it. That's where we spend our time. That's
where the
where we
community comes together,
refresh.
right.
We come together, and you're using that room every day. And that's what buyers are looking for, is really, is it updated? Does it feel clean? Would I be proud to have company here? I just did a refresh in my kitchen. And so what I'm going to tell you is you do not need to remodel. You do not need to renovate. Again, refresh. It can be refacing cabinets. It can be paint, hardware, light fixtures, sometimes countertop surfaces, but you will get your money back here if you do it right.
And the exterior of the home is so important because we all judge a book by its cover, whether we want to admit it or not. The exterior is important because you're going to drive by. Yeah, that's really appealing to me. Let's talk about garages and pools.
Yes, so garage doors is actually underrated. Think about our garage doors. They get used about every day too. And they have that heavy, intense weather we have here. So strong sun, hail, usage like that, our family members driving into them. Sometimes it can be as simple as a repaint, but often it's a replacement, and typically this does do well for you, and it's the first impression. Pools here, I'm going to say no. Very few buyers want these. We have a very short season. You can use them unless they're inside. Lots of maintenance, lots of costs. Your insurance will go up.
I'd rather just buy a hot tub, you know?
Absolutely.
You and I can hang out in the hot tub together.
Absolutely.
Biggest takeaway from today. I mean, how do you foresee the next 6 months looking like?
So it's important for, first of all, if you're going to do renovations, is it for you because you're going to be living in the home for a while, or are you really planning to sell and getting your money back? If so, as a seller, you need to be strategic, invest wisely, because if you take some time and do the right upgrades and renovations, you will get your money back. And I expect real estate to keep doing well here. Houses are selling, people are moving.
All right, we're going to go to Ross Sea and Steakhouse. We're going to split a porterhouse for two, and then we're going to go house hunting in Monument. Huh?
I love it.
That sounds like the perfect Saturday to me. Really do
Absolutely.
appreciate it. So how can people get in touch with you?
My information is,
it's all on the screen.
It's all right here.
It's all on the screen. Hey, absolutely, you're the best. I wish you nothing but the best. You're going to be another grandmother again.
Yes.
So how many grandkids now?
This is my second. I am headed from here to the hospital.
All the best to you and Derek. Wonderful
thank you.
family.
Thank
Good.
you.
And I think the grandbaby's going to look like you, not Derek.
Oh, well,
I hope so.
I don't know. He's got great hair.
No,
he's
a
got great
good-looking
hair.
guy. Expert advice from Marquesa Hobbs. I know we are all intrigued what the second half of 2026 looks like for the housing market. This segment has been sponsored by the incredible Marquesa Hobbs at the Platinum Group.